The DRT6300 direct vent fireplace offers the versatility and performance necessary to make it a stunning centerpiece for any home. With a traditional premium oak log set and 3 interior liners to choose from, the DRT6300 can complement any style. The focal point of the DRT6300 is its exceptionally tall, dancing flames seen through an expansive ceramic glass opening for unmatched clarity and radiance. A vast array of accessories including several interior panel styles and optional andirons gives further ability to customize the look to add warmth and ambiance and value to your home. Available in 40 and 45-inch models, the DRT6300 is backed by our 20-year limited warranty. Superior Fireplaces. Our name is our promise.